with the Duns, who've been kind enough to show us a bit about how they live.
For a good story to tell, you always need to find a cell. And one thing you need to make is something you cannot break.
Mom, what's wrong with Dad? Is he angry with me?
We're gonna give our child a classical education, yeah?
Absolutely, yes,
Languages,
yes, of course.
science, fine arts.
You don't want to hear this? No, of course you don't.
If we make that decision together.
Yes, we made all of our decisions together. We agreed on everything.
Really, there are no differences between Alex and me.
We're doing what you think is best.
It's too late for that.
There are some things in here that I would like to keep.
Alex, let's finish this as quick as possible. We're here so that each of us can take what we need to start over.
There are some things we cannot share.
We don't have time for this.
Our son is challenging us. He's playing with us. And you don't have time for this. You're telling me you're going to leave this house without actually solving this riddle.
This is not a haunted house, at least not literally.
Natalia, I need you with me on this.
I have no idea what you really think, baby. You're like a big, phony alpha sort of.
Well, we're overlooking something here.
We are not fundamentalists or superstitious people.
We are officially isolated, sweetheart.
It's rock and roll.
You want me to come here? You know you love me.